Hello all tech enthusiasts, my name is Shubham Sharma and in this video we are going to explore Sora, a recently new amazing product developed by the OpenAI itself. So without any delay, let's go ahead and explore it. So Sora is nothing, it is a kind of LLM model which has been trained on the huge amount of visual and text data, and on the behalf of that training it is able to generate videos, realistic videos based on the particular input given. So as you can see the definition on the screen also, Sora is an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions. Now let me talk about its working, how it actually works. So Sora works on the LLM model principle itself. If you know little bit about the LLM model, then you can easily relate with my understanding and whatever I am telling you. So now let's talk about, if you don't know LLM also, then I will tell you. So LLM is a kind of, they are the kind of large language model which has been trained on huge or massive amount of data set of either text or either video or visual elements. So now let's talk about after the training, what happened is that. So after the training with the data, they has been done with the understanding or identifying its meaning from that particular input. Let's say you are writing that make a professional looking video of Lamborghini car. So basically you have feeded this data to the system. After that it will go for the data pre-processing. So there has been 7-step process while making an end-to-end any LLM application or data science or ML application. First step is we collect the data. After that we do some feature engineering, EDA, or then after we go for the model training, and then after at the end we go for the model evaluation and the various other accuracy parameters. So this was all about the how it is working. If you want detailed video on its tech stack used in the LLM model, then go ahead and let me know in the comment section and write tech stack in the comment section so that I will come with that video also soon. So now let me show you some of the amazing and example given by the OpenAI itself about their product. So there are lots of example given. First of all, see this beautiful work. This has been generated by the AI. But no one can predict that this has been generated by the AI itself. Only the professional filmmaking industry stakeholders, they can predict that this has been created by the AI itself. Apart from that, no one can predict that it has been created by the AI because it is looking really realistic. And after that, see these elephant videos, they are also looking realistic. And apart from this, AI is able to generate detailed video. I was really shocked to see this thing, because you can see the detailing of the video is quite good. See this mountain, see this cat touching the candle. There are tons of example given on the video. Now I want the name of this particular video. Exactly, I am unable to remember this word as of this word bird as of now. But go ahead and let me know in the comment section. And look at this studious boy also. He is also amazing looking in this video. Now let's see more regarding it. See this also. This is also a really insane product developed by the OpenAI. As of now it is in development phase, but soon it is going to be published for all the public. I hope it will really going to revolutionize the entire video creation and education and marketing industry. Now let's talk about where it will use in video creation. So as of now, various YouTubers use professional video editor and various expensive equipment for making a particular video. Now with the help of this particular AI product, they don't need professional video editor or any professional expensive equipment until and unless they will not use this product. Otherwise they will need it definitely. So this product will really going to revolutionize entire content creation, education industry. Now let's talk about in education industry where it will use. So it will use in order to create some engaging and in order to improve the learning experience of the students, it will use there. In case of business and marketing, so the stakeholders will use it for creating a personalized ad for their targeting audience for a particular product. So this is all about this amazing product developed by the OpenAI. So OpenAI is really doing really great work. Hats off to their team. Initially, they have come with a problem solving which is on the text. Now they have come with a problem which was related with the video creation. So they are really coming with a lots of amazing business use case solving. And I really love this product a lot. What's your thought in on this particular product? Please let me know in the comment section. And according to you, it is game changer or not? Please do tell this thing also. So this was all from my side. If you like this particular video, then please go ahead and do subscribe and hit the like button also for more such upcoming helpful updates. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring new things. And if you want a detailed video, then please do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely coming with that particular video also.